Have you ever wanted a Shopify counter or some cool merch like this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can win some of this merch that Shopify sent to me, and I'm going to review all the merch that Shopify has. So let's get in the video, and I'll tell you how you can win this Shopify counter. Hey, Clayton Bates here, and I'm one of Australia's only registered and authenticated Shopify experts. And in today's video, I'm going to review all the merch and show you a couple of ways you can actually win the merch. I've got heaps of merch from Shopify that I'm just giving away. The first way to actually enter to win this merch is if you go into the comments and write counter. That will be one entry, and then I'm going to leave a link where you can go to my website and get bonus entries and stuff like that. So let's jump into this. So what is like Shopify merch and stuff like that? So if you actually come to their Shopify supply website, they have heaps of different things here, like the counter that you saw previous, and like this little cool like Cha-Ching thing, which it gets a little bit addictive to play with sometimes. Side note, I don't know if any of you have had this happen before, but years ago when I had my old website, I was actually working full time, and at lunchtime I launched all this new stock, and for my whole lunch break, my phone was just going cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. Like people at my work were like, "What the hell is going on?" So little side note. So I always have like cool memories from that. But basically, they've got lots of little cool things here, like this little duck. I've got heaps of them to give away. The counters here, I only have the bigger ones, not the 5 ones. I've got the 7 number ones. So hopefully you can like get heaps of sales on your Shopify store. I always think of the counters as like, it's like motivation and stuff. You can put them in your background of your video and stuff like that. Perfect example of this is that I've seen this girl on TikTok, and basically she goes live every day and she makes her candles and stuff like that. And I always thought like, how cool would this counter be in her background, and people could actually see the orders tick over live when she's actually like packing up orders and people are making orders on live and stuff. I thought that would be like really cool to do something like that. The duck is just for fun sort of thing. And this scratch off poster, I've actually got heaps of these too. Basically, when you get your first sale, you scratch it off and things like that. The Cha-Ching button, I've only got the one that I have. I didn't get any extras or anything. It's got like this Shopify key cap that goes on your keyboard. They've got hats. They've got like keyboards and stuff. I really want to buy this keyboard because I think it would be cool in the office here. A lot of this stuff like developers would use too. So like just for example, I went to like business conferences and had like Shopify on my shirt. They sent me shirts like years ago, and like people would be like, "Oh, do you know Shopify?" and things like that. So it's like a mix of like cool things for developers and cool things for people who have their website. So I got some socks here, a dev pin, some stickers. I've got heaps of stickers. So on the back of your laptop, I don't know if you think it's cool, but I think it's cool, is to like put like all different stickers and stuff on your back of your laptop. So that's what I normally do. And yeah, and it's got some wallpaper, this digital business starter kit that's free. There's a couple of like free cool things that you can buy from here. Shopify hoodie, hat, jumper there. I've got a lot of these stickers to give away. Here's the classic shirt that I was talking about, classic tee. So over the years, Shopify sent me heaps of them. And then basically, like I said, if you're a developer and you're at a conference or something, see Shopify, people sort of know what you're doing, stuff like that. This is really cool. I actually like downloaded this before, and it's like a cha-ching map. So you can actually like highlight the countries and the states and stuff that you've sold to. So for example, a lot of people don't know this about me, but I used to have my own e-commerce business. Now I just build websites for people, and we've helped generate like hundreds of millions of dollars for our clients. But back in the day when I had my old store, I actually sold an Australian product, mostly Australian rugby league stuff. And I actually sold to like 40 different countries. So this would have been like really cool to have on my wall and stuff, because who would have thought like someone in Hong Kong would want to buy like rugby league, like be addicted to like rugby league in Australia, or someone in Canada, or someone in Germany. Like there's all these different countries that I sold my products to. So I think it was like obviously New Zealand, Hong Kong, Germany, Italy. I sold some soccer stuff to like a few of the Europe countries and stuff, America, Canada, heaps of stuff to the UK. At one point, like 25% of the money I made was from the UK, which is absolutely insane. Mostly cricket stuff, but it's pretty cool. Like all the different countries you can sell to in states and things like that. Got some more stickers and merch and things like that. Gift card, more merch here, more merch. Is there anything else really? Oh yeah, like a tote bag. I think they gave me one of these at like Shopify Unite once. I think I've got one in my closet somewhere, a green one. Some more merch here. Developer printable poster. Developer printable wallpaper. That's pretty cool. Some stuff here. I don't remember them having all this free stuff here. I actually tried to get this keyboard starter kit package with the little thing, but they had a sale, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to get it. I'll just wait until that night, and I waited to that night, and like they're all gone. So if you ever see a sale here, you want to jump in and grab it. Same with our giveaway. Like it's not going to go forever. So comment counter below for an entry, or go to the link that I'll leave. The first link will go to my website, and you get extra like whatever's into the competition. The only condition is that you have to have a Shopify website. Like if you don't have a Shopify website, I don't really see the point in like sending you a counter if you don't have a Shopify website. So if you want to enter, do that. The other thing too, if you don't know, the Shopify Counter has a link to an app. So you actually download a counter app into your website, and that's how it links them together. So that's actually how it knows, sort of thing. Some more merch here. Yeah, I think that's about it. What I've got so far, the goodies I've got, I'll just go through. Scratch offs, heaps of them to give away. Ducks, heaps of them to give away. I've got 2 of the big counters to give away. So I think what I'm going to do is the first raffle, I'm going to do one counter, and then maybe a month later do another counter. But all the terms and conditions will be on my website. I only have one of these for myself, so I can't really give away. Don't have this. Don't have a keyboard. Maybe the next time I might get a keyboard, because I think that's pretty cool. Got heaps of stickers and all random stuff that I'm going to chuck in. And I've got some special gifts that I'm going to give away, like probably like 50 to 100 special gifts from my business I'm going to give away to people. So that's another reason why you want to enter your website link, because I've got heaps of free goodies and stuff that I'm going to give away. So let me know in the comments counter, and let me know what merch you're going to buy from the Shopify merch store. And until next time, have a good one, and bye. Do you want to win some cool merch like this Shopify counter and this duck?